Hi, this How to 1 Minute will show you how to send red snaps on Snapchat. Follow these simple ways to easily send red snap on Snapchat. First of all, go to your Snapchat and using your Snapchat camera, capture a snap. And now, to send a red snap, make sure to remove any kind of music or sounds from the snap. So if you're adding a video, make sure to mute the video first. Once done, just tap on next and let's send the snap to this contact. And as you can see, I've successfully sent red snap to this contact. And here we can see a purple snap. It's because I've added a music to this snap. So this is how we can send red snap on Snapchat. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.